How to save money at Clean Pro Supply. We actually have 4 different easy ways to save money ordering through us. We don't actively promote them, but we do run promotions from time to time. So keep an eye on the banners, your emails, text messages, all the different ways we communicate with you to provide savings. The first and foremost way is through a lot of the chemicals. You'll notice on the product pages, if you buy more, you'll save more. So for example, if you buy 4 or more, you'll save X%. If you buy 8 or more, you'll save even more money. The larger the order, the bigger discount we're gonna give you. Another way to save money is the Loyalty Rewards program. So for every $1 you spend on the website, you're gonna earn 5 Loyalty Rewards points. And then as those bonus points or Loyalty Rewards points accumulate, you can redeem them for coupon codes as money off or store credit off a future order. We have redemption values at $5, $10, $15, $20, $25, all the way up to $50, and you can save that money on a future order. Or just let it, keep accumulating, and every once in a while we do these big sales or promotions where you can redeem a lot of points for different offers. Another option is free shipping. So people frequently ask us, what do I need to do to get free shipping? Well, we don't have anything direct on the website for free shipping site-wide, but there are certain products that have immediate free shipping. There's certain tools, there's certain chemicals that right on the product page will say free shipping. However, if you're placing a large order, or maybe a restock order, or you're ordering for the year, and you're just curious if we can give you free shipping, absolutely, but it is on an individual basis. Just give us a call here at the store and customer service will be happy to help you out. The phone number is 1-844-623-5075, and just let us know what you're planning on purchasing and we'll see if we can give you free shipping. We also run promotions and coupon codes, so again, keep an eye on the banners at the top of the website. Text messages, we do send SMS blasts with flash sales or coupon codes, and also email campaigns. If you're not subscribed to the newsletter, go to the bottom of the website, type in your email address and submit that so that you get all of our newsletters and promotions through email, because we do send out a lot of promotional codes that you can enter as a coupon code and check out and save a lot of money that way as well. Also keep an eye out for holiday savings, because just about every major holiday, we have something that we're offering in the form of a coupon code or money off or individual items that are on sale. If there's anything else we can do for you, we're happy to help anytime. Have a good one.